Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's tutorial video I will teach you guys how you guys can bend text on Canva. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first thing, you want to come to canva.com and log in into your account. Once you do that, you will be welcome to this dashboard. Now over here you need to open a project, whether it's an existing project or whether it's a new one. So I'm going to go on my existing project over here, but you guys can do whatever you want, as I said. So I'm going to wait until my project opens up so I can add text over here. Now once you open up a project, what you want to do is at the side you can see this little text icon. You want to click on it. Once you click on text, over here where it says add a text box, you want to click on it. Once you do that, a text box will appear over here. Now you can write whatever you want in this text box. So I'm going to write this: hi, hey, what's okay. Now I'm going to bend this text. And in order to bend this text, what I need to do is click on where it says effects at the top. And once I click on effect, I need to scroll a bit down and you can see this option called curve. You want to click on curve. Once you do that, as you guys can see, it has started to bend. Now, if you want to edit the bend, what you can do is just like, there's this option at the bottom which you can drag like this. You can choose how much you want to bend it over here. Do you want to bend it upside down? Or do you want it to be bent like this? So you can choose how you want to bend it, just like this. Alright, so it's as simple as that on how you guys can bend your text on Canva. So hope you understand how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.